Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide the like count on your Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, tap the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear, and from there, select Reel. Next, you'll see a screen showing photos and videos from your device gallery. Pick the video you want to post as a reel. After that, you'll enter the editing screen where you can add stickers, text, music, and effects. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Next. Now scroll down to the bottom of the next screen and tap on More Options. In this section, you'll see different settings. Turn on the toggle switch next to Hide Like Count on this reel. Finally, go ahead and share your reel. Your followers will no longer be able to see the like count on your video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.